morning. Last lecture we studied the frozen semen. Today is the frozen semen technique. So the frozen semen, the semen can be preserved at -196 degrees centigrade in liquid nitrogen is called as frozen semen. Last lecture studied what is frozen semen, advantages of frozen semen and disadvantages of frozen semen. Now we study the frozen semen techniques. So the frozen semen techniques involves the following steps. The first is the semen evaluations. First is the semen evaluations, and the examinations and evaluations. First is for the frozen semen techniques. Freshly collected semen can be used for the frozen semen techniques. So the first is the semen evaluations. Freshly collected semen samples are evaluated, and the semen samples with having the more than 70% motility of spermatozoa. The semen samples having the spermatozoa the more than the 70% motility of spermatozoa, and the sperm concentration is about 1000 million per ml. The semen having the more than 70% motility of spermatozoa, and the sperm concentration is about 1000 million per ml is used for the frozen semen technique for preservation of semen. The first is the semen evaluations. The freshly collected semen having the motility more than 70% and the sperm concentration having the 1000 million per ml, that semen is used for the frozen semen technique purpose. The first is the step is the semen evaluations. Second, after evaluations, second step is the dilutions. Dilution of semen. So after evaluations of freshly semen samples having the motility 70% and sperm concentration in the 1000 millions per ml, that semen is diluted with the Treece diluters. Treece diluters at 37 degrees centigrade. That is the temperature is most important for the dilutions. So that is the after evaluations, the semen sample is diluted or mixed with the Treece diluters at 37 degrees centigrade. So the rate of diluters is directly proportional to the sperm concentrations. So the how much quantity of diluters should be added is directly proportional to the sperm concentration. And after dilutions, this semen, after diluted semen is used for the preparations of semen doses. After dilutions at 37 degrees centigrade, this diluted semen is used for preparation of semen doses. Second, evaluations. After evaluations, the semen is diluted with the Treece diluters at 37 degrees centigrade. After this third step, after dilutions, third step is packaging. third step is packaging. So after dilutions, these sterilized plastic straw. After dilutions, these sterilized plastic straw are filled with 0.25 ml of diluted semen. These after dilutions, these filled with the sterilized plastic straw at the 0.25 ml of diluted semen at 37 degrees centigrade. Temperature is most important. Here is also the dilution factor is the 37 yani filling of the sterilized plastic straw at about the rate of the 0.25 ml at 37 degrees centigrade. Here this semen straw is filled in the plastic sterilized straw with the help of filling and sealing machines. Filling and sealing machines. Then suppose this is the plastic straw. These filled in with the help of the filling machines, and this plastic straw is sealed with the metal ball. So the filling as well as the sealing machines are used for this packaging purpose. So after fillings, these are sealed with the metal balls at about 37 degrees centigrade. After packaging, 0.25 ml of the plastic straw at 37 degrees centigrade with the help of filling machines, and after the fillings, these plastic straw are sealed with the metal balls. After packaging of the plastic straw, sterilized plastic straw, then is the cooling. The step is important sequence, that the evaluations, dilution of semen, packaging, and the fourth step is the cooling. Semen straws are filled in about the 0.25 ml at 37 degrees centigrade, are cooled to the 37 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade. So it is important. These semen straw are cooled, then the 37 degrees centigrade to the 5 degrees centigrade within 30 minutes. Time is within 30 minutes. That is at the rate of 1 degree centigrade per minute. So it again is important, the cooling. If the cooling is done fastly, there is the chances of the killing of spermatozoa. So the cooling 37 to the 5 degrees centigrade within 30 minutes. That is at the rate of 1 degree centigrade is per minute. After cooling 37 to 5 degrees centigrade, next step is the desalations. Here the temperature is cooling 5 degrees centigrade. Next step is the desalations. Suppose this is the liquid nitrogen containers. So this is the semen straw. This is the liquid nitrogen. Next step is the glycerations. So the semen straws are kept 5 degrees centigrade cement straw are kept for the 5 degrees centigrade for the period of 4.5 hours in the cold cabinets. So cement straw are kept or held for 5 degrees centigrade for up to 4.5 hours in cold cabinet. This period, there is the 4.5 hours. This period is known as the glyceration periods. This period is known as the glyceration periods because during these periods there is a 4.5 hour. So these spermatozoa, these are react with the glycerol, which is added into the diluter. These react with the spermatozoa. This is the glyceration period. These cement straw are held at 5 degrees centigrade for about 4.5 hours in the cold cabinets. This period is called as glyceration periods, and during these periods, glycerol, the part of diluters, react with spermatozoa, by which spermatozoa gains ability to withstand the freezing process. That is the main advantage. During this period, the glycerol with the part of the diluters with the react with the time, cements can gain the ability to withstand the freezing process. And the freezing process, after the glyceration period is over, glyceration is about the 4.5 hours. Next step is the freezing process. So the glyceration period, so in the cold cabinet 5 degrees centigrade. The next step is the freezing process. So after glyceration period is over, cement straws are exposed to the liquid nitrogen vapor. After glyceration period is over, cement straws are exposed to the liquid nitrogen over at temperature about the 130 degrees centigrade. About the temperature 130 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of cement is reduced to plus 5 degrees centigrade to minus 130 degrees centigrade. Here the temperature is also reduced plus 5 to the minus 130 degrees centigrade within the 15 minutes. Again, it is also important. So here the freezing process. The cement the temperature of the cement straw is reduced to the 5 degrees centigrade to the minus 130 degrees centigrade within the 15 minutes. The fast freezing should be avoided. Fast freezing should be avoided because injury to the sperm later on, the cement straw is directly dipped into the liquid nitrogens about the minus 196 degrees centigrade. The temperature in the cement straw is dipped in the minus 196 degrees centigrade in liquid nitrogens. Next step is the freezing. After freezing, next step is the preservations. Next step is the preservations. In this, the cement straws are stored or kept in the liquid nitrogen, and thus the cements can be preserved at minus 196 degrees centigrade in liquid nitrogen. This is the preservation. And the last step is it is called the thawing. THAWING. So the last step is the thawing. This is the after when the for insemination purpose, these semen straws are used only after thawing. For insemination purpose, these semen straws, when the semen straws are for insemination, the semen straws are removed from the liquid nitrogen. During this period, the semens are in the solid state. Semens are in the solid state. So what is the thawing means? The semen is converted into the solid, into the liquid form for dilution purpose. So the frozen semen straw at the minus 196 degrees centigrade is taken from the liquid nitrogen container and is directly dipped into the lukewarm waters at about the 35 degrees centigrade. After removing this is directly dipped into the lukewarm water, that is the 35 degrees centigrade for 30 seconds. So thawing, so the solid is converted into the liquid form, and only the semen straws are used for insemination purpose only after the thawing. The process is called as the thawing. So the solid is converted into the liquid. So this is the frozen semen techniques. This is the first is the semen evaluations. After evaluations, next is the dilutions with this diluter, and the amount of diluters is depends upon the soil concentrate. After dilution, packaging of dilution with the 0.25 ml is the sterilized plastic straw, cooling, dissolution spirits, freezing, preservations, and the thawing. Thank you.